Steam Generator Boiler, Part 2F. Thank you for watching Shoaib View. In last video I explained about boiler accessories and in this part 1 explained boiler auxiliaries. HRSG auxiliary components. Complete boiler trim package, ASME code piping. Line duct work, casing for high and low temperature and dirty gas applications expansion joints. Diverter valves, guillotine dampers with zero leakage sealed air system. Silencers, duct burners, fuel trains, racks. Combustion controls and burner management systems, blowdown tanks, derators and BFW pumps, feed water economizers. DA makeup water preheaters. Process heat exchangers, hoppers, structural steel. Freestanding and self-supporting stacks, SCR system CO catalyst. Boiler auxiliaries. Boiler auxiliaries have the following parts. Forced draft fan FDF, induced draft fan IDF. Recirculation fan RCF, fan dampers. Burners, igniters and BMS burner management system. Atomizing air or steam system, feed water tank and DA and feed water heater. Feed water pump, chemical feed system. Seal air blower, flame scanner cooling blower. Fuel handling system, ESP, ash handling system, blowdown tank. Service and instrument air system. In this figure gives a symbolic representation of the different boiler auxiliary equipment and their major interconnections. A brief note on various auxiliary equipment has been given in the following sections. This figure shows coal-fired boiler auxiliaries. Boiler draft fans. The largest fans in power plants deliver air to the burners. Forced draft fan, FD, and extract flue gas from the boiler. Induced draft fan, ID. Plants with flue gas desulfurization may have additional booster fans. Those large fans range from 1 to 18 well and are usually built as axial fans. Their blades have an airfoil shape and the gas flow is controlled with variable pitch of the rotating blades. Axial fans have higher capital costs than centrifugal fans, and because of more numerous parts and complexity, they also require more maintenance. All other fans in power plants are usually smaller and built as radial fans, also called centrifugal fans. The pressure and flow characteristics of radial fans are dependent on the orientation and shape of the fan blades, like backward curved blades, straight radial design, forward curved blades. Forced draft fan. Forced draft fan supplies air at high speed to furnace during fuel combustion. It controls airflow and handles air at normal temperature. Forced draft fan has ability to work with high static pressure. These fans are used to supply air during various industrial processes at high speed. The fans offered by us help in supplying fresh air by pulling out the air dust particles with the help of chimneys. FDF suction filters. FDF suction filters are used for provide clean air to boiler for good combustion, and this air passes through the tubular or regenerative air heater and to the wind box connecting duct which supplies the secondary air to wind boxes. Induced draft fan. Induced draft ID fans are used to create a vacuum or negative air pressure in a system or stack. Inlet guide vane control. Motor and fan run with fixed speed. A solid gear may be used, since fan speed may be lower than motor speed. Flow is adjusted with the inlet guide vane position. The guide vane directs the gas into the same direction of rotation as the fan impeller, which reduces the fan flow. Inlet guide vane control is more efficient than inlet dampers due to reduced friction in creating the pre-swirl movement. Inlet damper control. Motor and fan run with fixed speed. Flow is adjusted with the inlet damper position. The inlet damper directs the gas into the same direction of rotation as the fan impeller, which reduces the fan flow. Inlet damper control is less efficient than an inlet guide vane due to increased friction in creating the pre-swirl movement. GRF gas recirculation fan. Gas recirculation fan GRF draw gas from a point between the economizer outlet and the air heater inlet and discharge it into the bottom of the furnace outlet. Recirculation gas introduced in the vicinity of the initial burning zone of the furnace is used for steam temperature control, while recirculated gas introduced near the furnace outlet is used for control of gas temperature. RH outlet steam temperature is normally controlled by regulating the gas recirculation flow. Increased flue gas flow over reheater of the convection heating surfaces increases the heat absorption and RH temperature is increased. GFRF-GRX to reduce NOx formation by reducing peak flames temperatures in conventional applications. Thank you to watching Steam Generator Part 2 F Boiler Auxiliaries topic is contained. Thank you to watching Shoaib Views channel. In this channel you can watch technical videos as well as informatic and entertainment videos. If you like my channel, please subscribe, like and follow it.